Missed out on Bitcoin? Don't worry, here are 5 altcoins you can't ignore this November 2025. The crypto world is more explosive than ever, and while Bitcoin leads, the real gains are happening with altcoins. We've dug deep to find projects with the most explosive potential right now. The market is heating up, institutional money is flowing in, and key tech updates are about to go live. These 5 coins aren't just gambles, they're solving real problems and are poised for parabolic growth. I'll break down this seed one time, guys. I'm bonding crumb. Though cream, on buying C and D, the partnerships and the momentum behind each pick. Let's dive in. First up, Solana, the flash of crypto. Solana's claim to fame, blazing speed, over 65,000 transactions per second, with fees so low you can make thousands of transactions for less than a cup of coffee. This speed has attracted a flood of developers, fueling a thriving ecosystem of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 games. Solana's proof of history tech lets it process transactions in parallel, making it a true game changer. The result? A positive feedback loop, more apps, more users, more value. It's not just a faster Ethereum, it's a new approach to building the decentralized internet. As demand for scalable blockchains explodes, Solana is leading the charge. Ignore Solana now, and you might miss the next big wave. The train's leaving. Are you on board? Next, Avalanche, ticker AVAX, the blockchain for big business. Avalanche's secret weapon subnets, letting companies launch custom blockchains connected to the main network. This is a game changer for institutions needing privacy, speed, and compliance. Avalanche is already working with giants like Deloitte and SK Planet, and even helping tokenize real-world assets with KKR. Its unique consensus protocol delivers sub-second finality and high throughput, attracting DeFi and gaming projects alike. Avalanche isn't just chasing users, it's onboarding Fortune 500s and building the foundation for tokenizing trillions in assets. Every new subnet and partnership cements its role as the go-to blockchain for enterprise. AVAX isn't just a coin, it's a bet on the future of global finance. Watch this space. Now let's talk about Ethereum, the world's most popular smart contract platform, and how Polygon is not just helping it, but truly supercharging its capabilities for the next generation of blockchain users and developers. Ethereum has been a game changer, powering everything from DeFi to NFTs, but it's not without its challenges. As Ethereum's popularity exploded, so did its problems: network congestion, slow transaction speeds, and sky-high fees that made even simple transactions expensive and frustrating for everyday users. Imagine trying to send a few dollars and paying more in fees than the amount you're sending. That's where Polygon steps in. Polygon acts like a high-speed express lane for Ethereum, making transactions lightning fast and incredibly affordable. With Polygon, users can send, receive, and interact with dApps without worrying about delays or breaking the bank on fees. Polygon started with its proof-of-stake sidechain, which brought millions of new users and developers to Ethereum by making it accessible and scalable. But Polygon isn't stopping there. With the launch of Polygon 2.0 and cutting-edge ZK rollups, it's evolving into a next-level scaling solution that's even more powerful and future-proof. ZK rollups are a breakthrough technology. They allow Polygon to bundle thousands of transactions together off-chain, process them efficiently, and then submit a single cryptographic proof back to Ethereum. This means the Ethereum mainnet gets all the security and accuracy, but without the bottlenecks and high costs. The result? Near unlimited scalability, unified liquidity across the ecosystem, and top-tier security that leverages Ethereum's battle-tested network. Polygon is building the infrastructure for a seamless, interconnected blockchain future. It's no wonder that major global brands, like Starbucks, Reddit, and Disney, are already building their Web3 projects on Polygon. They trust Polygon to deliver the speed, scale, and reliability needed for millions of users, whether it's for loyalty programs, digital collectibles, or next-gen online communities. As Ethereum continues to grow and attract more users, Polygon's role as its scaling backbone only becomes more critical. It's not just a sidekick, it's the essential infrastructure that supports Ethereum's expansion and keeps it accessible to everyone. With Polygon 2.0, Polygon is positioning itself as the central hub for Ethereum's future, a network of interconnected chains, all working together to power the next wave of decentralized innovation. So, if you're looking for exposure to the next phase of Ethereum's explosive growth, think of Polygon as the pickaxe in the digital gold rush. It's the tool that builders, brands, and investors are using to unlock new opportunities. Don't overlook it. Polygon is shaping the future of Ethereum and the future of Web3 itself. Fourth on our list is Chainlink, often called the invisible backbone of decentralized finance, or DeFi. While you might not see it in the headlines every day, Chainlink is quietly powering some of the most important innovations in the blockchain space. It's the unsung hero that makes it possible for blockchains to interact with the real world, unlocking a universe of new possibilities for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Here's the challenge. Blockchains, by design, are isolated from external data. They can't access information like stock prices, weather reports, or sports scores on their own. This limitation keeps them secure, but it also means they're cut off from the real world, unless someone builds a bridge. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network acts as a secure, trust-minimized bridge between blockchains and the outside world. When a smart contract needs real-world data, it sends a request to Chainlink, which then gathers information from multiple independent sources, aggregates it, and delivers a single reliable answer back to the blockchain. This technology is the backbone for countless DeFi protocols. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Synthetics rely on Chainlink to deliver secure, tamper-proof data, especially price feeds for assets. Without accurate, real-time data, these platforms couldn't function safely. Chainlink ensures that lending, borrowing, trading, and even the creation of synthetic assets can happen without fear of manipulation or error. Today, Chainlink is the industry standard for decentralized oracles, securing billions of dollars in value across the DeFi ecosystem. Its infrastructure is trusted by developers and institutions alike, making it a foundational layer for the next generation of financial products. But Chainlink isn't stopping at just providing data. Its latest innovation, the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, better known as CCIP, aims to connect all blockchains, both public and private. This protocol is designed to enable seamless communication and value transfer between different blockchain networks, breaking down the silos that have kept them separate until now. Imagine a world where you can send tokens, data, or even complex instructions from one blockchain to another as easily as sending an email. That's the vision behind CCIP, and it's already being tested by some of the biggest names in finance and technology. In fact, major institutions like SWIFT, the backbone of global banking communications, are piloting Chainlink's technology to explore how traditional finance can interact with blockchain networks. This is a huge step toward mainstream adoption and interoperability. Chainlink is also pioneering Proof of Reserve, a system that brings unprecedented transparency to DeFi. With Proof of Reserve, decentralized applications can prove that their assets are fully backed in real time, giving users confidence that what they see is what they get. This is especially important for stablecoins and tokenized assets, where trust is everything. As DeFi and multi-chain ecosystems continue to expand, Chainlink's role as the connective tissue of the crypto world becomes even more critical. It's not just a data provider, it's the infrastructure that enables innovation, security, and trust across the entire blockchain landscape. In a future where everything is connected, Chainlink stands out as the ultimate infrastructure play, powering a truly connected, secure, and transparent crypto economy. Last but not least, let's talk about Arbitrum, the undisputed king of Ethereum Layer 2s, and the project that's been setting the pace for the entire scaling ecosystem. If you've been following the evolution of Ethereum, you know that Layer 2 solutions are the key to unlocking mass adoption, and Arbitrum is leading the charge. At its core, Arbitrum uses optimistic rollups, a technology that bundles up hundreds of transactions, processes them off-chain, and then settles them on Ethereum. This means users get lightning-fast, ultra-cheap transactions while still benefiting from Ethereum's legendary security. For anyone tired of paying sky-high gas fees, Arbitrum is a breath of fresh air. The numbers speak for themselves. Arbitrum boasts more total value locked than almost every other Layer 2, and even outpaces many Layer 1 blockchains. DeFi powerhouses like Uniswap, Aave, and GMX have all chosen Arbitrum as their home, bringing billions in liquidity and a thriving user base. This isn't just a technical win, it's a massive vote of confidence from the biggest names in crypto. One of Arbitrum's secret weapons is its seamless compatibility with Ethereum. Developers can port their existing Ethereum apps to Arbitrum with minimal changes, which has fueled explosive growth across the ecosystem. Every day, new projects are launching, and established protocols are expanding, all thanks to how easy it is to build on Arbitrum. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Upcoming upgrades like Stylus will let developers write smart contracts in familiar languages like Rust, C, and C++. This opens the door for millions of traditional software engineers to join the Arbitrum ecosystem, bringing fresh ideas and accelerating growth even further. Imagine the possibilities when the world's best developers can build on Ethereum without learning a new language. But Arbitrum isn't just about scaling Ethereum, it's about enabling the next generation of blockchain applications. With Orbit chains, projects can launch their own customizable, application-specific chains that settle onto Arbitrum. This means more scalability, more flexibility, and a whole new world of possibilities for builders and users alike. When you look at the stats, it's clear, Arbitrum is the Schelling point for Ethereum scaling. It leads in users, liquidity, and developer activity, outpacing every other layer 2 by a wide margin. If you want to see where the action is, just follow the builders, and they're all flocking to Arbitrum. Betting on Arbitrum isn't just a bet on a single project, it's a bet on the future of Ethereum itself. As the network continues to grow, Arbitrum is perfectly positioned to capture the next wave of users, developers, and capital. The momentum is undeniable. The action is here, and it's only getting bigger. If you're looking for the epicenter of Ethereum's next growth phase, look no further than Arbitrum. Don't miss out on the future of blockchain innovation. There you have it. 5 powerhouse altcoins primed for a massive November 2025. From Solana's speed to Avalanche's enterprise focus, Polygon and Arbitrum's Ethereum scaling, and Chainlink's critical infrastructure, these projects are solving real problems and have explosive potential. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Crypto is volatile, so do your own research. Dive into white papers, join communities, and understand the risks before investing. Which altcoin are you watching this November? Drop your picks in the comments and subscribe for more crypto insights. Hit that bell, your next big opportunity could be just one video away.